I didn't have any time.
All right. What questions do you have for me?
Um, how has Euro USD been doing like today? Like what have you seen?
I'm looking at some sales. I took some short buys only because it was super short, and to be honest, I just wanted to make some money for an opportunity I seen. So I just took I assumed that it was gonna keep going buy, and then buy. So I took my buy right here, and then it went up and started coming down. So I just took my profit at $600, and it looks like it's just about to go.
Yeah, did you so what about lot sizes? Like is that something you can speak on when it comes to like
Mhm.
um
So
I
it depends on how much you have in your account. So that would be a better answer. Like if you have $100 in your account, then obviously I wouldn't use no crazy big lot size. If you have $1,000 in your account, then obviously you can use a bigger lot size. When it comes to lot sizes, you gotta get a feel for it because everybody has a different tolerance. Like I could be cool with losing 30, 40, 50, 60, $70. Somebody else might not be. So
mhm.
get a feel for your lot sizes. So put it at 0.001, and it's just that's just a penny. So obviously like move it up because a dollar 1.00 is a dollar. So
1.00.
each pip it goes up. But
So
make sure you're
so
like demoing it. Don't just
oh, for
willy.
sure.
Yeah.
No. Heck no. I don't want to lose any money today. As far as lot sizes, like so if I have $1,000,
Mm-hmm.
one lot size would be 1.00. That's $10.
It should be. Let me give me 1 second.
I'm just trying to understand that for when I do have a live account, like I want to know
Yeah.
like, okay, how much am I willing to risk for this?
Yeah, it would be 10. Do 1.00. Um, the only reason I'm hesitant on it is because I don't want you to do that on a live account, like
Yeah, exactly.
demo account. Like it could be one zip point, 2 point, everything. Just do it on demo first and then do it on a live account so you can know the fluctuations. Because on a
Okay.
demo account, it doesn't matter. You just press a trade and you can see it goes up $10 or $20. And it's like, okay, that's my lot size. So now I can go over to my live account.
Okay. Okay. Um, can you walk me through that trade? Because I saw that you did a trade today, and I was like, man, like it would have been cool to see it. Do you ever share that or no? As
What
far as
my
how you go about those trades, or how you saw it, and you were like, okay, I'm gonna put it here.
Oh,
You make
this is the same setup. It was literally this. We were just going up. I literally seen it broke the structure. And this was my entry right here. Let me put oh, you can't see my screen, can you?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I can see
Yeah,
you.
this was my trade right here. So I expected it to keep going up because it been going up. So I was like, okay, that's why I took a buy this morning, but it turned on me. I can't control it turning on me. So that's why I'm out the trade now. So that was my thought process. It was pretty plain and simple. Let me see.
It was a quick trade. So how long did this trade take you?
Let me I'll say about I was on my 30 minute. So 30, 1, 2, 3. I was in the trade for about 2 hours. And then I seen it was doing this BS and then turned on me, so I just got out the trade.
Okay.
But yeah, nothing specific crazy. It was literally just we were already going up. And then look, every time it touched this line, boom, up, boom, up. These two reasons are the reasons I took the trade. And this one, boom, up. So I assumed it was going to do the same thing, but it didn't. It got me. But I got 600 out of it, but it could have been more. But
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
you know what I mean? It turned on me and I wasn't going to turn around and hit sales, so I'm good. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
could trade tomorrow. Never force a trade. You can always trade the next day.
So like that's another thing that I was gonna ask. Like, for example, like you caught the last buy before the sell. So
Hmm.
you say, okay, like it's gonna buy, boom, I'm gonna trade it, boom, I made 600 bucks. Now it's selling. Shouldn't I be selling now, or do you leave it alone?
You can, but then you're doing the game of buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. And you don't know. So, okay, look right here. So imagine you were right here and you were in buys and you see it going up and it's turning around. You're like, oh, I'm gonna get out. Let me just sell. Comes down here. Oh, it's turning around. Let me buy. You know what I mean? Now you're just buying, sell, buy, sell. I'd rather just be straight buy.
Okay. But wouldn't you be making money at that point because you're like
For
buy,
sales,
sell, 600 bucks up, 600 bucks down? Like,
that's gambling. I don't do it like that.
yeah, for sure. Okay.
Not
Yeah.
no real money. I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
then I'm just pressing buy, sell, buy, sell.
yeah. Okay.
And these 100% do like look like the sales are going down.
Yeah.
I just gotta I have a lot of client calls today, so I'm not
Gotcha.
gonna be deep on the charts.
But do you think
Sell.
it's gonna sell
It's
now?
it's weird, and you know what? It probably could have turned around because tomorrow is New Year's. Banks are closed, so there's not a lot
Mm,
of volume. And
hmm
I just thought about it because I was like, man, and I just
There's
thought,
gonna be no volume tomorrow.
no, because it's New Year's.
Yeah.
So today is even gonna act weird because tomorrow's New Year's. So there's not gonna
Yeah.
be a lot of money moves because everybody's going on vacation.
hmm Is there anything that you think I should know? Um, I mean, should I start putting some trades in on my demo? Or should I
Yes.
wait a little bit, keep analyzing, keep looking, or
No. So in order for you to drive a car, you got to drive it.
yeah.
So take some risks. I'm not saying take
Okay.
$1 million risks. Take penny risks, dime
Yeah, yeah.
risks,
Yeah,
dollar
yeah.
risks. But those risks is you learning and you getting better.
Yeah.
Don't try to a lot of people try to fight losing. Losing is part of it.
Yeah.
You're gonna lose more than you win only because if everybody won every single day all year, is that even legal? You know what I mean? Like you'd be a
Yeah,
billionaire.
yeah.
If
Straight
I
up.
won every single day, I wouldn't even be on my laptop. You know what I mean? I'd be in Dubai because it doesn't make sense. You know what I mean? We
Yeah.
play on an edge. This is our edge. This is what I seen the market was taking off right here. It hit our line. It took off right here. It took off right here. All I'm doing is repeating history, and I was gonna take off right here. But we got low volume today. Since we don't have volume, it's New Year's tomorrow. It's not gonna shoot up because we don't have volume. So it
Yeah.
went down.
I did have a question on the candles. Not sure if you can zoom in
Yeah.
for a minute. I just want to like on the candles. So there's like red candles, green candles, right? Green candles buy, red candles sell,
Yeah.
right? Um, you said when it builds a floor,
Mm-hmm.
that's when you know like it's ready to buy, right?
Yeah.
Because if it hits the floor enough times, eventually it's gonna go like that's gonna be your
This
resistance. You
this
said,
was
right?
my floor.
Where
So if I was
where
in, if
where
I
was your
was in this
floor?
trade, if I took a buy right here, I would have won my trade because this is my floor. If I missed it and I took a buy right here, I would have won my trade because this is my floor. But
Your floor,
eventually the floor has to break.
your floor is there, right?
Hmm.
How did you find that floor again?
Here, just do this. Just use whole numbers. So hold on. Uh, oh, I messed up. Hold on. Hold on. So anything right here at my 550 is all buys until it breaks. which you did today.
So you're just buy there. But how did you find it? Like did you
I
just
looked at
say like
history. This,
those two? Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
because they're
Those
the
two show
floor.
you that's your floor.
Yeah.
So once you notice it does it more than once, that's your sign to put a trade in.
Hmm.
Okay. And the so there's the candle and then there's the little wick going down. Is that it grabbing some liquidity or
Correct. Correct.
okay. I'm just trying to make sense of it. So
Oh, you're good.
when I start going up.
Ask me everything.
Okay. So that's it grabbing liquidity and then that's how you know it's gonna go. Okay.
And you obviously see why I took the trade because it grabbed liquidity and it made me think it's going to take off, but it turned on me. So
So you
some things I,
grab whatever little you got and then boom, you're out.
yeah. So, I mean, I can't win them all. So
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right. So then I'll just get started then.
for sure, man. Let me know if you have any questions. You sure you're good? Everything?
Um, for now, yeah, man. I mean, mm, I guess I'll just keep watching the videos and then what time do the markets close? That's one thing I've never learned.
They don't close. They're Monday through Friday. They close on Friday at 5 p.m., but they open
Okay.
back up on Sunday at 5 p.m. So your only closing hours is after 5 p.m. on Friday and Saturday
Friday, Saturday, and then they open Sunday
at 5 p.m.
afternoon
Yeah,
at
because
5
the
p.m.
reason it opens up Sunday afternoon is because in different countries banks are open, but in the United States it's not open.
Okay.
Oh, well, there's some banks open in Sunday, so that's why there's liquidity and volume because some banks are open, but not all banks. So that's why it's
Okay.
better to trade on Monday through Friday.
How do I set up like on TradingView and on Hanko? How do I set up the sessions like you say you trade on New York? How do I search up New York sessions? Like, how do I
Shoot, when
get
you
on
wake
that?
up, you're in New York session. What time you wake up? New
I
York session
mean,
is 9:30 Central Time.
okay,
So,
so there's no way to pick which session it is. It just tells you which. I mean, based on your time zone, that's how you know.
well, if you want, I mean, you don't have to do this. You don't have to do this because it's literally just, let me close this off. No, I don't want to tell you. This is so
No,
basically this is
that's
like,
crazy.
yeah, yeah, I don't want to. That's why 9:30, man.
That's crazy.
9:30.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's crazy, bro. I
I
was
don't
like,
want to
what?
confuse you. Yeah, I don't want to confuse you because all those boxes we're doing where they were blocking out, like it'll block right here and say, okay, this is all New York session. And then it was blocking, this is all Asian session. But man, 9:30, you're good. And you can
Okay.
trade any time of the day. It doesn't have to be 9:30.
Right, right. Yeah, because I mean I I still have a day job, you know.
Hmm.
I still gotta figure something out for now. So I don't know, depending on my work schedule, like I can wake up and trade, or depending on what time I'm off work, I can jump on the charts after that. Is that something that you do sometimes? Like sometimes like you don't have time during the day, so you do it in the evening time? Or do
I'm gonna
you
answer your
make it a
question.
habit to wake up and
Yeah, I'm gonna answer your question real quick, but look at this real quick. I'm gonna be so salty if this whole number right here, 400. Oh no, it's not 400. It's 450. 450. If it buys right here because it took out all this liquidity and then took me out and takes off, I'm gonna be so salty. If it does this, man,
uh
oh my God. To answer your question, what time do you
I
get off
mean,
work?
can't you jump on that? Like
I can, but I'm not I can, but
you're not gonna be greedy.
yeah, I'm too scared.
Okay. Um
Um,
I get off work at different times of the day, bro. Like there's days where I work till 8 p.m.
mhm.
Pacific time, and there's days where I work till 2:30 p.m. So I I stand in front of clients, and
Hmm.
depending on how many clients I have for the day, like it could be two clients, it could be four, and I could be done at like two, or I could be done at eight. So it just kind of depends on the day
It sounds like
for me
a good session for you would be Asian session.
to jump in the
You know what?
evening.
USD JPY. That's
USD. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Japan. Yeah, that anything that's JPY. Here, I can even let me bring this
That's a
down.
pretty good pair.
JPY. Anything that's JPY. Forex,
Which one's your
USD.
favorite out of all of them? It looks like that.
I don't trade USD JPY.
Uh,
I trade Euro, but to be honest, if you want to say a favorite, then it's just gonna be the United States dollar versus Japanese dollar because I'm
USD.
not in I'm not in Thai, I'm not in Hong Kong, so I'm not
Right.
gonna choose. I'm not in Euro. What is it? England. I'm not in
Yeah.
Norwegian, so I'm just always gonna do United
Here's the
States.
JPY.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I see you got it on the side there. Okay, cool. USD JPY.
Oh, I
And
already did.
yeah, yeah, I saw that.
All right. What other questions you have?
Um, that's it for now. I just kind of wanted to know about the whole liquidity thing, like
Mm-hmm.
how you see it. So if it starts a trend, like it doesn't hit this floor,
Mm-hmm.
and it after that, so usually wait for a second candle to do that same trend before you buy, or do you grab it on the first, or you grab it on the third, or
If I see this right here, I'm gonna grab it right here
you're gonna grab it up right there? Okay,
because it showed me already.
and that's on the 30 minute.
Yes.
You never mess with the 5 minute, 10 minute.
No, because then I'm gonna be on the chart every 5 minutes.
Right, right. Okay, makes sense.
That's what helped me stop being on the charts, getting off that 5 minute, because then I'm gonna be glued to my chart. But I'm not gonna be glued to a 30-minute candle. That's I got stuff to do.
For sure. So you watch the trend every 30 minutes to an hour,
Yeah,
and
if
then
I'm in the
you
trade,
figure it out
I'll
from
look at
there.
my phone and see what's going on, if I need to pull out or not.
And then the same account that I made with Hanko, I could add it to my phone. That way I don't have to be stuck to a computer. I can look at them on my phone.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I gotta download them. Okay.
All right, brother.
Yeah. It's pretty
You
much it
good?
for today, I guess. Yeah. I'm just gonna keep watching the charts and jump into a trade pretty soon here.
All right, brother. I will send this recording to you. Just give it some time.
Yeah, man. Thank you, bro.
All right, enjoy your day, man.
You too, bro.